What's up everyone? My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take an in-depth look at the fan favorite Guttercat gang. In the last episode, we went over another feline project when we looked at the cool cats. You can tell by their catchphrase alone that today's project is going to be pretty different. Gang gang. The Guttercat gang has an art style more reminiscent of Bored Apes and definitely shuns the cutesy vibe that Cool Cats has got going on. Instead, they embrace the gutter, ghetto, and hood aspects of hip-hop and have a very different aesthetic. Although this is another generative project like Bored Ape Yacht Club, the total supply of Guttercats is less than a third at only 3,000 tokens. Guttercats launched on June 8th, 2021 at a mint price of 0.07 ETH per cat. The launch was actually plagued with issues, and I remember I stayed away at the time when I heard about the problems and FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Soon after, the team turned their project around and began rolling out a pretty impressive roadmap with plans that included more drops, as well as an NFT that was redeemable for merch, which I thought was pretty cool. About a month after release on July 10th, the Gutter Rats were launched, and they were the companions for Guttercat holders that were available for free. All you had to do was redeem it on their website and pay a transaction fee. It was one day later that I felt it was a good time to get into the gang, as I noticed as a trend that prices of a collection tended to dip after a companion drop, as that companion may be priced into the original NFT, and people will be looking to get some liquidity after receiving their free perk. As a trading card collector, I'm very familiar with chatting with fellow collectors and putting together a trade deal, and I had done so before within the NFT space for NFTs within the same collection. However, I saw an opportunity to get a top 10% rarity Guttercat, and I jumped on it by trading two of my lower tier cool cats. The trade was a good deal for both parties, and we both walked away happy and even became friends after this interaction. That's the best part of this NFT community, honestly, meeting cool people and trading JPEGs. The Guttercat gang went on to do pretty well for a profile picture collection, reaching a floor of around 7 ETH last month before dipping down a bit during this recent bear run. However, it's not over for the gang though. Guttercon was held recently in Las Vegas and was an IRL meetup for cat and rat holders to get to know each other and party. Just a week before that, mint passes for two new species dropped at a tiered pricing system. What is a mint pass? Well, pioneered by Punks Comics, another project which will definitely get its own video, or maybe even two for its sheer complexity, a mint pass is an NFT that allows a holder to mint another NFT. This actually is a pretty genius idea because it avoids the idea of having a gas war during minting, which usually happens because everyone is trying to mint at the same time, which makes the price of gas for transactions skyrocket since your transactions go through faster if you pay more gas. 2,500 gutter species mint passes were free to redeem for those who had both a cat and rat in their wallet, and a further 1,000 passes were reserved for 0.75 Ether for those who held either a cat or a rat. Another 2,500 mint passes are available for public sale, which puts the total for species number 3 and 4 at 6,000 supply. The team announced that holding these mint passes will further give utility in the future, which so far is unannounced. They actually just released a teaser of species 3 and 4, which will be dogs and pigeons. I'm super excited about the art on these and personally have one mint pass for each species. The last thing that makes this project stand out is the DAO that is being formed. A DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization, can be thought of as a self-governing company that serves the interests of the community. Holding a Guttercat will give you access to the DAO, and some of the perks will be being able to vote on the future of the project and having a stake in the DAO's vault, or treasury. The details of this haven't been announced yet, but the DAO is being developed by one of the best teams in the space, and I'm looking forward to the future of Guttercat gang. After an initial rocky start, the Guttercats have cemented themselves as one of the premier profile picture NFT projects with their innovative approach and rabid fan base. Just posting #GangGang on CT or crypto Twitter will likely get you a whole bunch of replies and follows from the gang. The strong community with a roadmap that rewards the holders of the NFT project is a surefire path to success. Which of the new gutter species is your favorite? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.